Alright nerds, so one of my last videos was some science shit, right? So guess what? We're gonna do some more science shit. And this science shit is gonna be something crazy. Way more complex than what I did last time. Now, it may not seem complex by the title, but you can make plasma by putting a grape in a microwave. Now let me explain how. Now here, you're gonna have to follow these 3 simple steps. Get your grape, right? Now this is some really cool shit. I'm telling you, it actually works. And you're gonna want to get not a plastic plate, but a glass plate, you know? Solid all the way through. Boom. Now you want to cut it. Let me put it right here. Now you want to cut this, not like this. This is bullshit. Diagonal. I mean, straight line, straight up and down, like this. Now cut it even, right there. And you want to leave some room to the point where it's like that. And then make sure these 2 lines are touching. There's a thin layer of skin touching that thin layer of skin. Now this is going to be very interesting. See that? Boom. Now, time for action. We go to the microwave. Science prevails. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Now this discovery wasn't made till 7 years ago. And some idiot decided to put grapes in a microwave. Now, well, not an idiot. I also got this off a YouTube video and seen this on an article. Okay. Okay. See that? Plasma. Pretty fucking cool, huh? It's about to explode. Alright, let's stop that. And now the grate is kind of seared, but yeah, as you can see, plasma. Yep. What the fuck just happened? Probably your question. For the science people, tune in. For the people who are completely not nerds, just skip over this. Doesn't matter. Anyway, well, it does matter, but it doesn't. Speaking about matter. Anyway, what had happened basically was that the diameter of the grapes are exactly 1.2 centimeters wide and 1.2 centimeters in diameter, which is the length up and down. And in width, well, height, I mean, in height, they're about 2 centimeters, 2 to 3 centimeters tall, about. No, man, maybe not 2 to 3 centimeters, maybe like an inch, 10 centimeters. Yeah, basically an inch. And what happens is that the microwaves that the microwave produces get trapped inside of the grape because there's water inside of the grape. The grape is 90% of water. That's been common fact and proven. And the grape absorbs the electromagnetic energy and keeps it stationary inside of the grape. Holds it inside of it. And then when that happens, since 2 grapes are together, when you put 2 electric rods together, and they're electric, and the electric is flowing through them, and you put them close together, the electricity is going to travel through to one to the other, one to the other, one to the other, one to the other, and keep doing that, and ionizing the molecules around it. But that doesn't happen when you have 2 rods together. It makes electricity and it bounces back and forth, but then the matter around it doesn't ionize. Nothing sets on fire around it. So why did that happen with the grapes? Reasoning being is because it kept the energy stationary inside of it, and the energy bounced back and forth and set on fire and set the outside of the grape on fire because the energy traveled grape through grape because they were touching each other. Energy traveled through grape, through grape, through grape, through grape, and then set on fire. And the electricity, since electricity is heat, that's all electricity is, really. And since the heat came out of the grapes because the electricity was traveling through each one of them, it caused ionization of the air molecules around it. What is ionization? Ionization is basically where a molecule or an atom gets excited and grows and experts, and it can lose an electron because of that, or gain an electron because of that, or gain a photon or lose a photon because of that. The subatomic particles that are on an atom, basically. It's pretty much what happened. So yeah, and the crazy part about it is that it's like a mirror reflection. Is that it can reflect itself, and it can also, the energy inside of the grape can also grow and decrease. And the amount of the microwaved energy, the amount of the microwaves that puts energy inside of the grapes doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. The grapes' energy can decrease and increase no matter what happens. That's astonishing. That's the part that was a discovery that was fully manifested, fully figured out only 7 years ago. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, I got a full good explanation behind this video, behind why the hell this happens, because I did this when I was a kid, and I was like, whoa, what the fuck? And then, yeah, I did it with a bunch of Orbeez to put a fucking load of Orbeez inside of a cup and just microwave them. I was like, what happens when I microwave them? And I was like, whoa, what just happened? And now I got a full explanation of why it happens, which, how microwaving grapes makes plasma by Veritism. This video's right here. Go watch it. And this also gives a really good explanation. Better than mine. Anyway, alright, nerds. Peace. Love y'all. If you're a nerd, geek out, man. If you're not, I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, peace. Bye. Love y'all. I'm going to try to do some other stuff next time. Maybe making a giant electromagnet or make a radio signal and transmit it to space because I'm bored. Peace.